How did a small village on the banks of the Tiber River grow to become the greatest empire in history? This is the story of Rome, an epic of ambition, power, and legacy that forged the world we know today. Our journey begins not with emperors and legions, but with a myth, the legend of Romulus and Remus, twin brothers suckled by a she-wolf who founded a city on 7 hills in 753 BC. While the legend is captivating, the reality was far more humble. Early Rome was a collection of simple huts, a small settlement of farmers and shepherds living by the strategic curve of the Tiber. Yet, from these modest beginnings, something extraordinary was taking shape. This was a community of survivors, of strivers, who would soon lay the groundwork for a new form of government. The real genius of early Rome wasn't its kings, but its decision to abolish them. In 509 BC, the Roman Republic was born. It was a revolutionary idea, a government of the people, res publica. Power was shared between 2 elected consuls who served 1-year terms, advised by the esteemed Senate, a council of elders from Rome's leading families. This system of checks and balances, of civic duty and written law laid down in the 12 tables, created a stable society where citizens were also soldiers, fiercely loyal to the state. This foundation of law and governance would become one of Rome's most enduring gifts to the world. But stability at home only fueled ambition abroad. The engine of Rome's expansion was its military machine, the Roman legions. More than just soldiers, legionaries were engineers, builders, and disciplined professionals. Their iconic rectangular shields, the scutum, and short swords, the gladius, were deadly in formation, but their true strength lay in discipline and strategy. They built roads that stretched for thousands of miles, constructed massive forts in hostile territory, and engineered siege weapons that could bring down any wall. With each victory, Rome's influence spread, expanding from Italy to conquer vast territories across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. The Mediterranean Sea became, for them, Mare Nostrum, our sea. As the empire grew, so did its cities. The Romans were master builders, and their innovations in engineering and architecture were nothing short of genius. All roads lead to Rome wasn't just a saying, it was a reality, a network of stone-paved highways connecting the empire. They perfected the arch, allowing them to build structures of immense size and strength. Aqueducts, marvels of engineering, carried fresh water for miles into bustling cities, feeding public baths and fountains. And of course, the Colosseum, a monumental amphitheater, stands today as a breathtaking symbol of their architectural prowess and their complex, often brutal culture. These weren't just buildings, they were statements of power, permanence, and civilization. This sprawling republic was shaped by towering figures whose names still echo through history. Julius Caesar, a brilliant general and politician whose ambition pushed the republic to its limits. His conquest of Gaul made him a hero, but his crossing of the Rubicon River plunged Rome into civil war. Figures like Cicero, the great orator and statesman, fought to preserve the republic's ideals through the power of words. But it was Caesar's adopted son, Augustus, who would ultimately end the chaos. He skillfully navigated the political turmoil, defeated his rivals, and ushered in an era of unprecedented peace and prosperity known as the Pax Romana. He became the first Roman emperor, transforming the Republic into an empire that would dominate the known world for centuries. The stones of the Colosseum may have crumbled, and the legions may have long since marched into memory, but the legacy of Rome is all around us. It's in our legal systems, based on Roman principles of justice. It's in our calendar, a gift from Julius Caesar. It's in the languages we speak, with countless words derived from Latin. It's in the architecture of our government buildings and the strategies studied by our militaries. Rome shaped the very foundations of Western civilization, leaving an indelible mark on our art, our philosophy, and our idea of what it means to build a society. Rome wasn't just an empire of land and stone. It was an idea of law, of citizenship, of engineering, and of ambition. And though the empire itself fell, that idea never died. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe to Digital Time Vault